On the 24th of June, I had a hysterectomy. So I lost my womb, my ovaries. So it was fairly, significant surgery. Fortunately, it was done by keyhole, which is great because it aids your recovery. And more fortunately, that was it for me. I mean, I had the surgery, the growths, the tumours were removed, and I didn't require any further treatments or therapies. So it was serious surgery. It knocks you off course. But I was extremely lucky. The care I got in the Rotunda Hospital, can I say, was outstanding. I don't think you can have that procedure and not reflect on that, your sense of yourself as a woman, as a mother, also the fact of getting a bit older, although I am very young. I'm in the first flush of my youth.
Thank you. Yeah.
But, I'm at it. You're at an age and you're kind of confronted with the fact that, you're not superhuman, and that you're at another stage in your life. And